Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a AdCreative AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to create an account on AdCreative AI, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address adcreative.ai and turn enter. And after that you'll be directed to the home page of Add Creative AI over here. And now to register for an account on the Add Creative closes, first guys scroll down a little bit downwards and this tab will be available to you. When it was at this we were on the home page, the tab won't show, but the moment we scroll down it's available for us. So in order to register, simply click on the register button available over here on this tab and you'll be taken to the registration process of Add Creative AI. Whereas let's get further with the sign up process. And over here you'll be required to enter your full name, your email address, and after that enter your password with which you'll be logging into your account, your Add Creative account later on. Make it strong guys, use some capital letters, some small letters, and guys you make sure to match your password. And guys, after entering your name, your email address and your password, simply click on the sign up and the get 10 free credits button available over here, and then you'll be redirected to the setup page of the Add Creative AI, whereas a verification link will be sent to you on your email address. First verify yourself guys by opening that mail and clicking on the link, and after that you will be able to use your Add Creative AI account. And with that being said guys, this is how you sign up for an Add Creative AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.